It's December of 2019, and I walked up to these mallow hibiscus bushes, and I made a discovery. I saw a bluebird and another bird perched, and what I want you to notice is these hibiscus seeds are apparently very edible and nutritious. They are everywhere. This is like a bird food paradise in the middle of the winter. So don't overlook hibiscus or mallow, not only as a flowering plant, but also as an abundant food source in the wintertime for birds. Look at that seed, isn't that interesting? A little aerial bushiness to help in dispersal.